Dear student, I will solve exercise 3.1 in matrix. Question number first. In the matrix A, element 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5.2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Right. First part. The order of the matrix. Order of matrix. Answer. How many number of row and column in this matrix? So counting row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. This is 3 by number of column 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column by 4. Order of matrix 3 by 4. Second part, the number of element 1, 2, 3, 4 and number of column in first column 1, 2, 3. 3 into 4, 12. There are 12. Or usually you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 elements in this matrix and number of order of matrix 3 by 4. 3 into 4, 12. Third, write the element A3. This answer, solution of this question answer, A13 is equal to A12 first row and third column. In first row and third column, element of position. So 1, 3, first row and third column. First row, this means first row and third column. Position of 1, 3. 1, 3 means 19. So A13 position of element 19 and A21 is equal to position of element second row and first column. Second row means this second row and first column. This is first column. Position of element 35 and A33 position of element 33 third row third column. Third row and third column. This is position of this element third row and third column. This is minus 5. 33 means third row and third column position of element. Third row and third column. And A24. This is second row and fourth column. Position of element second row and fourth column. Second row means this and fourth column this. Position of element 12. And at last A23 second row and third column. Second row and third column. This is second row and third column. Position of element 5 by 2. This is answer of third part. Question number 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are possible order it can have. And again, what if it has 13 element? Solution of this question, order, possible order, possible order, 1 into 24, comma 2 into 12, one row 24 column and 2 row 12 column, or 3 row and 8 column and 4 row and 6 column and 8 row 3 column, or 8 9 not possible, 10 not possible. So now again 24 row 1 column reverse, and 12 into 2 and 8 into 3 and 6 into 4 and 12 into 2 1, 8 into 6 into 4 and 8 into 3 into 8. These possible elements have mixed matrix. Order these, and for 13 elements, possible matrix of order 1 into 13, comma 13 into 1. No multiple and other no multiple of 13. So, and also solution of this question. So this is 18, 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6 and 6, 4, 5 and 6, 4, 5, 6. This is not possible. 18 into 1, 9 into 2 and 6 into 3. And also for 5 elements, 5 elements, order of matrix, order of matrix, order of matrix. So 5 into 1, 1 into 5 possible. Question number 4. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. A matrix is equal to element ij. I means row, j means column, whose elements are given by. Solution of this question, so you can write I order of matrix 2 into 2. So I for 2 maximum element 2, any 1 2 and j maximum element 2, so 1 2. So first we put I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. So a1 1. So I plus j 1 plus 1 square upon 2. Now I take I1 and j1. So I1 and j1 put above the element a11 I j11. So a11 is equal to, put here 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 square upon 2. This is 2 square upon 2. This is 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. And also put I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. We take I1 and j 2. So now ai1 and j2 is equal to, put here 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 whole square upon 2 is equal to 3 square upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 2. And put I is equal to 2, I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. Then a21 is equal to 2 plus 1, I2 j1, 2 plus 1 upon 2 square, 3 square upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 2. And also third, a put a I2 j2. So a22 is equal to 2 plus 2 upon 2 square, 4 square upon 2 is equal to 16 upon 2 is equal to 8. So this matrix, so matrix A is equal to element first row first column A11, first row second column A2, and second row first column, and second row second column. This is 2 into 2 matrix. Now these elements are put here, a11 2, a12 this is 9 upon 2, and a21 this is so 9 upon 2, and a22 means 8. This is matrix of A. This is answer. Second part, do yourself with the help of first part, and third part solve here. So now ij2 cross I is equal to 1 2 and j is equal to 1 2. Now put I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So now this put here a11. So 1 I1 plus 2 into 1 whole square upon 2. This is 1 plus 2 whole square upon 2. This is 3 square upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 2. And when I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. So a12 is equal to 1 plus 2 into 2 whole square upon 2. So now 1 I1 j2, this is put here ij this. So get 1 plus 4 upon 2 whole square, 5 upon 2 square, 25 upon 2. and also A when I 2 J 1. So A 2 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 I 2 into 2 into 1 whole square upon 2. So I for here, put here I for 2 and J for 1, 2 into 1. So this here you can write 2 plus 2 whole square upon 2. This is 4 square upon 2. This is 16 upon 2 is equal to 8. And when I is equal to 2 and J is equal to 2. So you can write A22 is equal to I2 plus 2 into J2 whole square upon 2. So you can solve. So 2 plus 4 square upon 2. This is 6 square upon 2. This is 36 upon 2. 18. So 18. So now matrix A is equal to first row, first column, first row, second column, 1 2, and second row, first column, and second row, second column. This is matrix 2 by 2. Now this value put here A11 for 9 upon 2 and A12 25 upon 2 and A21 means 8 and A22 means 18. This is matrix of A. This is answer. That's all.